Feel like falling deeper. Cold nights 난 너무 싫어. 기다리기에는 너무 길어. 줬던 내 사랑이.
I'm running late for Pilates today. Just took a quick shower, did my body care, and I'm just trying to like moisturize my face before heading out. Hope you guys are doing well. Today is one of those days. It's one of those days when I've been on my toes since I woke up. Like since I opened my eyes from sleep, I've been on my toes. Just trying to hurry up because Pilates starts at 12 and it's 5 minutes to 12 and Alma is still at home. I've been wearing this headband wig a lot because, to be very honest, I haven't been doing a lot of proper outings in the last, I would say, 2-3 weeks. So this has been my go-to when I want to quickly run errands or go for Pilates or like just run out the door. I've been wearing my headband wig a lot. I can't even recall what brand this headband wig is from.
Baby, can't you come with me? Can't you hold my hand and leave? 근데 있잖아 너라면 다를까 생각이 들어. 해볼까 말까 내 다리가 걸어가는 방향이.
I love you, 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 I love you.
애써 맘 졸여 하늘만 보면서 언제쯤 알게 될까 너 한참을 멍하니 보다 보니
Up, inhale for right, exhale down. Left, exhale down. Lift your leg up for 7, inhale for right, exhale down. Inhale, massage down, drop. That's 1. Inhale, up, drop. That's 2. Exhale, lift, squeeze it. Inhale, push back. Return to inhale, drop. Hold, that's it. Single for right, single for left, double down. Alright, now. 2 uppers. Hold. Single right, single left, double. Double. Let's go. Last one. Last one.
It's tough.
Except for right, except for left. Stop it. Except for both. Relax. 1, 2. Hold it. Except for right, except for left, except for pull out. Return. Let's go. 1, 2. Hold it up. Let's go. Extend for right down. Extend down for 2. Extend both down. Let's go. Good. Last time. Let's go. Call it up and hold. Let's go. Extend that for right. All the way down. For left. All the way down for forward. Return. Go back there. Extend for 5. Hands out. Hands down. 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands down. Extend for 4. Absorb it. Inhale back.
And maybe you're still panting and puffing. You're still panting and puffing. Today drained me. Uncle, fine girl. Jennifer, take it easy. Take it easy. After workouts, we eat protein. In this case, suya. Oh, is that the suya?
This is 2,000. Yeah. It's no. I beg.
After Pilates.
Yes, I should actually do that.
Madam,
So my film was after Pilates. Why is it?
shop suya. See them. With my toothpick in my mouth.
Guys, I'm back. And today was epic. Today's Pilates session, the guy that took that session, the guy was about to kill us, literally. Like, it was so intense. I missed last week's own, so I didn't go for last week's session, and I knew I had to be there today. So it was very epic. Like, it was, guys, it was very intense. When I tell you it was intense, it was very intense. But I love how I feel after each session. I'm just gonna make sure that I take painkillers. My husband was like, go and take painkillers now, because Your body's about to be sore for the next 2-3 days or something. You guys would have seen that we had a mini suya date after. That was nice. And I have some gifts. I have some gifts, guys. My friends are the sweetest, aren't they? So my friend Julieta just got back from Thailand. She was in Thailand for about 6 weeks, and she gave me this because I'm seeing her for the first time since she came back from Thailand, and she gave me this beautiful bag. So I really want to unbox very quickly what is in here. So over here we have some soft dried mango, Thailand style. I love dried fruits, by the way. It's one of my favorite things to snack on. Yeah, so there's this in the bag. Then there is this lovely floral hair clip in my favorite color. I think this is what Thailand is known for the most. I see a lot of women with flowers in their hair, floral clips and all that. I really love this color. Really like this. I don't have a clip like this, so I'm very happy about this. And there's this Vaseline SPF 50 daily protection brightening serum. Okay, so this is more like sunscreen but in serum form, I think. So yeah, that's what it looks like. Then another thing that the Thai people are known for is their balms. So this is this tiger balm ointment. It's almost like what we have here called aboniki, but I think theirs is on a different level of heat, I think. Oh, okay. Oh, nice. Okay, so that's what it looks like. That's very hot. But I love stuff like this. They come in so handy. This weather in Abuja has just been one kind, and this is very, very much needed for a weather like this. Trust me, you can never go wrong with having this at home. Hope it has a long expiry date. Yes, it has a very long expiry date, 2029, so that's good. And then the last thing in the bag is this, which I suspect is a candle. It's nicely packaged in my favorite color. Oh, smells like something very edible. Yes. Oh my god, I can't. What? God, this is a Bath and Body Works candle. What? This is the watermelon lemonade candle from Bath and Body Works. Let's talk about the packaging, because why is it so pretty? Like, why is it so beautiful? I knew I was smelling something fruity, like watermelon lemonade. That makes sense. It smells so fruity. I wasn't sure, but oh, this is so beautiful. Oh my god, I love this. I'm so happy about this. Thank you, my darling friend Julieta. This bag, I love this bag. Like, for me, the thoughts always matters. It always matters. And I have one more package from my friend Jennifer. Jennifer is a gift giver. Like, I've always called her a gift giver. Jennifer can never allow any occasion pass and not give you a gift. My birthday was last month. It's well over a month now since my birthday, but Jennifer still made sure she gave me a gift today, and it's this bottle of perfume, Versace Woman. That is what is here. So let's do a quick unboxing. Yeah, guys, and it's matching my sweater. Like, I have so much perfume now. I'm so happy, like so happy. You can never have so much perfume, okay? Every day you smell different. Jennifer, your next birthday, I have to pull all the stops for your next birthday, because you're always giving gifts, girl. Oh, this looks so beautiful. Oh wow, packaging is so pretty. The bottle is so beautiful, you guys. It's so nice and so slim. I love that. Oh my god. Ah, this smells so good. It smells so flipping good. Oh my god. Thank you so much, my love. Thank you so much, Jennifer. I love this. Ah, this smells amazing. I need to go and put this in my perfume tray right now, because this is so good. And I love that the bottle is so portable as well. This is definitely going into my stash right now. Yeah, so quick unboxing done. Let me go and get on with the rest of my day. As always, I'll talk to you guys in a bit, okay?
Hello. Hey. Good morning. Good morning, Bubba. Good morning. Micah. Micah. What are you doing this early morning? Eh? Look at Mimi. My sweet girl. Oh, sweet baby.
Mommy, today I shall be cooking akara.
Having akara for breakfast
Yeah.
and pap. I know you love it. Meanwhile, mommy's here. My daughter is behind me. My babies. One of those days you wake up feeling so grateful. Guys, it's one of those slow days for me. One of those very slow and lazy days.
Okay.
See who they go airport. See who they go
My
airport.
brother-in-law, dearest.
As
You get
always.
brother-in-law. You don't get brother-in-law. You don't get brother-in-law. Ma? Your son. This her son. She's greeting you, her son.
Oh, good morning.
It's afternoon, babe. Safe trip, my love. See you when I see you.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.
Let me know when you bored, though.
Shocking.
All right. Where you they go?
They go.
Togo.
They go. As about traditional way.
Come on. Always going to one place. So your weekends are always.
As my development union Abuja, we lost a dear member, Mrs. Teresa Okudo.
Yeah.
So today is the requiem mass and then traditional wake you
Okay.
before they move her body to Asaba.
Okay.
So that's why I'm tying.
That's why you're tying this wrapper.
This is what we use for wake keep.
Wake keep.
Yeah, it's called Mpoloka. Mpoloka. You know what is Mpoloka? Corn, maize.
The head.
The seeds.
Oh, the
of
seeds
the corn,
of the maize.
Of the maize, yeah.
Oh yeah. I see that.
So they call it Mpoloka.
Okay.
They will tell us Mpoloka wrapper, white blouse, and royal blue head tie, but I've not tied my girl. But he said, Mommy, now they try this extracurricular activity.
Honestly, mommy, your extracurricular activities are always a lot.
So that's why I'm getting ready to go.
Okay. I think it's in the job.
And they chop yam, boiled yam, and egg sauce.
So earlier on, I drove out. My sister was going back to Lagos today, so I went to my mom's house to say my goodbyes to her. And I remember, or I recall telling you guys on my way there that I was feeling a certain type of way. And thinking about it now, it just makes sense why I was feeling so low earlier today. That's because I actually lost a friend of mine recently. An old friend of mine, right? More like a friend of the family. By family, I mean myself and my siblings, because he also like was friends with my siblings as well. But yeah, I did lose an old friend. I'm sure it's up to 2 weeks now that we lost Sukan. And thinking about it now, the reason why I was feeling so low earlier today is actually because today is his night of tributes slash service of songs in Abuja. And I think that's why I woke up feeling a bit low. And this is the kind of death that, you know, when it hit, it was like, what? I mean, this is somebody I know. I saw him, the last time I saw him was at a family friend's wedding. That was less than 2 years ago. You know, there are people that you've known in your life that you just can't imagine them dying, that kind of thing. Like, it came as a huge shock to everybody that knew him. And in this case, it was a very shocking death because it was health related, but then it wasn't like a prolonged something. It was more like a cardiac arrest thing, very sudden. And yeah, it has really shaken me up in the last, I would say, roughly 2 weeks that I heard about this. Yeah, it's one of those deaths that has really made me ask questions, like that kind of thing. You guys know exactly what I'm talking about. And yeah, it has just made me wonder again about this thing called death. Like, whenever it hits so close to home, either in family or, you know, amongst friends, it really shakes me up. And in this case, this is somebody that's had his entire life ahead of him. He was just 44 years old, and I think that's the part of everything that pains me the most, is the fact that he just died too early and too suddenly. in my opinion. Getting ready for the night of tributes slash service of songs. He is going to be buried in Cross River State, where he's from, so this is the only event I know I can make, so I have to be there. Dress code is black t-shirts, blue jeans, but the black t-shirt that we are wearing, I believe, is supposed to be distributed at the venue, but for now I'm just wearing like a random black t-shirt, and then hopefully when I get there I can locate whoever is in charge of those t-shirts and then change or something. But yeah guys, it's just another day to realize that this thing called life is just so fickle. One more reason to let you guys know that your health is very, very important. If you have any underlying health issues, please be sure to always take care of yourself and take care of your health. I can't, man, I just can't. But yeah, it just makes sense why I was feeling some type of way earlier in the day. It didn't dawn on me until I remembered that today was my friend's night of tributes. So anyway, just trying to hurry up so I can head out because it starts at 6 p.m. in 20 minutes time. So I'm just trying to hurry up so I can start heading there. That's what I was able to come up with. Okay, I think I'm done. I'm okay like this.
We got nowhere to be.
All right, I think we're good to go.
Just a slow dance with the summer heat. The world outside can't wait a few, 'cause right now we got nothing else to do. The sun is peeking through the cotton white blinds, your hands still tangled up in mine. Feet on the wall, your head on me, floating easy.
Back home from a very, very emotional outing. This is the t-shirt that we wore, so I was able to get mine and I changed at the venue yeah, before going in, and it was just very emotional, you guys. Like the tears that were shed there today, the beautiful things that everybody had to say about him. It's just, I don't know, I just feel I have different feelings, you know. I never knew that the last time I saw him, we exchanged hugs, greeted and all of that. I didn't know that I would never see him again. It's just so sad. May his soul rest in peace. It's just I'm still in a state of shock and a bit of denial, to be honest, but it is well. Like I always say, when things like this happen, hold your friends close, hold your family closer. You never know. You just never know.